Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Botim card in Tabby in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch the Tabby application on your phone. Then you need to sign in into your account if you haven't already. You need to also make sure that the Tabby and the Botim applications are updated to the latest version before starting it out. Now over here inside Tabby, you just have to tap on this profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you just have to simply tap on the option of add card or the new payment method or the debit or the credit card. Afterwards, you need to carefully type your Botim card information, including its card number, the expiration date, the CVV and the card holder's name. Make sure that the details match exactly the card registered inside the Botim money. Now your bank and the Botim may now send an OTP verification code. So you just have to enter the code correctly in order to confirm and authorize the card connection. After verification, Botim card should appear inside the Tabby payment methods list, and you can then use it for the supported purchase and the installment payments. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.